Hello, hi from Newport. I'm vlogging, obviously. I'm in Newport for Memorial Day weekend with my best friends, Kit, Noelle, Rachel, and Tori, and I'm so happy because we're reunited for the first time in over a year and a half! Burr, burr, burr. Good morning. We are gonna go thrifting today. I literally planned out our entire route. I was like scouring the internet for different thrift stores in Orange County, and then I used MapQuest, which was a blast from the past, to literally organize the route. I'm really looking forward to it. I think I have an addiction to thrifting at this point. But let's do a little outfit of the day. I'm wearing this graphic tee, all of these like fun necklaces. You guys know I'm like always piling on the rings. And then I'm wearing my mom jeans with a pair of cowboy boots that I found in this house, because this is my grandparents' old house. And I freaking found 3 pairs of cowboy boots that are different variates of color. Was that a word? I have 2 brown ones and 1 black one. So I'm wearing the brown, and I'm so excited about these. This is like the best find ever, and the fact that they were literally in this house. Yeah, my room is a mess. I don't make the bed, I don't clean when I'm here. I'm just living out of the suitcase. That's it. Time for a little coffee break and a snack. Recharge before the next store. These are the cutest shoes I've ever seen in my life, but they're too big. How cute is that? Oh. Hi. Hi. Vlogception. Vlogception. We love to see it.
We love to see 2 content creators making the
wild.
most of their Memorial Day
Was
weekend.
it Vlog Kiss?
Vlog kiss.
And we're back. I'm back home, obviously. Time to show you guys what I got. A few things. First of all, please don't roast me for my spray tan, which is like over a week old at this point. So we've got some fading. I don't know why my armpits are still exposed. We've got some fading going on, some patchy skin, discoloration. It's fine, it's normal. That's the first thought. The second thought is, please stop me from going thrifting until I can freaking wear all the pieces that I've been thrifting recently, because they've just been piling in my closet and I haven't had an opportunity to style them or wear them. So please hold me accountable until you start seeing me posting on the gram in these outfits. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Let's get into this little haul. I'm gonna do it like thrift store by thrift store. So at Savers, I picked up some fun stuff actually, and Kit and I are gonna be sharing a lot of it. We do that, and now that we're both vaccinated, we can do it again. So it's nice to have a second closet. This first little number, I just broke the zipper off. Good start. Great start, Emma. Okay, I'll see if I can do something about that. Anywho, this is a ombre midi length skirt from BB, and I just love the colors. I think it's so fun and perfect for summer. Reminds me of a beautiful sunset, and I think the ruching on the waist is really interesting. It is a little bit big, so it's kind of more low-rise than I was expecting, but it's really fun. It's like this nice Y2K fit, and I just think the colors are so lush. I got another midi length skirt. I've been watching the Cheetah Girls recently. I've been on a Cheetah Girls kick. So anything that's Cheetah-licious and ruffly, I'm wanting, and I just love this. This is like such a fun length, and it fits really well actually. It's a little bit like form-fitting almost, so I think it's quite cute. I got this little black rock and roll tank top, and I think it actually looks awesome with that cheetah print skirt for like a true Cheetah Girls moment. But this is just like a fun tank top to have and just layer. I'm clearly clearly into the tank tops right now. So love a good ribbed one. And then this one I love the idea of, but it's bigger on me than I had anticipated in the waist. And I did wash all of these already and I was hoping it would like shrink down a little bit, but it's this amazing over the knee jean skirt that's like super 90s. And I was picturing this with cowboy boots. It's just a little big. So if I can find like a good belt to wear with it, obviously I will, but I just hope that I can make this skirt work because it's so cool, like so flattering on. This next thing I've been on the hunt for, which is a really cool black vest, a really good layering piece, and more specifically, I really want to recreate Miley Cyrus's look from her music video, Start All Over. That was an outfit when I was in middle school that I wanted to recreate, and I think I tried to a bunch of different times, but I just love that look so much. I think she's got like red pants on, a white graphic tee, a black vest, some sort of like chain belt if I'm not mistaken. It was just such a cool outfit and something that was really inspiring to me growing up, and I've been wanting to like try that again because that was an outfit again. I like really tried to make that so many times, and I think I bought like a vest for Wet Seal, and I was on Polyvore trying to figure out the pieces that would recreate the outfit. But anyway, long story short, that's my goal specifically with one of these, and then just to wear it again because I think this is a really fun layering piece for summer. As I mentioned, love a good graphic tee, so we found this soccer mom shirt. Had to wear it. I'm always the DD, I'm always the mom, I'm always taking care of my girls when we go out. It's just instinctual to me. Not that I like love children in particular, but I like taking care of my girls. They don't need me to, but it's just kind of like I'm there and I'm like ready to support. Anyway, this is just who I am. I used to drive a red minivan in high school. We called it the swag wagon. Again, I was always the DD, so it's just like a part of who I am. Speaking of like going out, can someone take me out in this, please? I found this and I just kind of gushed a little bit because it's magenta, it's sparkly, it's kind of like a halter top. It fits perfectly. Like this was made for me. It screamed my name in the alley, the aisle. The alley, it's a different night. I think this is so fun, so Y2K. I have no idea where I'm gonna wear it, but I suddenly need to be seen. Last clothing piece, actually my friend Tori found for me, and I've been wanting, first of all, a very form-fitting cardigan that is black, but also it's got fuzzy feather boa. I'm just gonna start that sentence over again. Tori found me this adorable cardigan that has a feather boa on it, and I think it's perfect for every occasion ever. Like, I've been wanting one of these. Thank you, Tori. Rounding it up, I got a few pieces for my house. You guys know I'm like slowly but surely trying to decorate. It's very expensive and I have no job right now, so hopefully I book something, or YouTube starts showing my videos in the algorithm. So whichever one hits me first, let's see. Either way, I've been loving going to the thrift store to buy some home decor. I found these two cute, like sea glass colored glasses. They just like remind me of a diner, and I love the color. My apartment is kind of like jewel toned, and I love green, so new cups, what? And then I found this amazing like brushed metal picture frame for $3. Thought this was really nice. I love mixing metals, and I think there's a few places that this could go, but I want to get a picture of me and Nick in here because we don't have a ton of photos of us around, so gotta change that. That is it for my thrift haul slash like a little kind of weekend vlog stuff. I was like, how can I fit the rest of this in here, because I didn't want to make like a whole video that was just me drunk for 4 days, because who wants to see that, really? Just go to my Instagram story. There we go. But nonetheless, thank you so much for watching, and I've got all of my friends linked in the description if you want to check out their YouTube channels or their Instagrams. I'll put them all down below. You'll see them all over mine all summer because we're vaccinated. Love that. I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe if you want to, and follow me on Instagram if you want more like behind the scenes stuff when I'm not posting on YouTube. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Bye. Bye. Just gonna walk around like this from now on. Okay, see you later.